channel. This is your girl Queen Rock, and I'm back with another video. Alright, so in this video I'll be showing you how I do a middle part quick weave. I just went to the beauty supply and get some regular this company called Organique here, and I'm about to show you guys. I'm gonna show you the pack and everything, but first I will be, I like my edges to be laid and stuff. I'm around my earline. If you can look, you see the back of it. It's all grown out and all because I had it in for like about a month. Okay, so first I'll trim in the front, or well, not the front, but around the earline. So when my hair is dry and everything, I can have a slick earline and make it look like it bomb ready, so I can do my baby hair and stuff. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm back. So I'm gonna go ahead and so it's right now it's washed and everything is wet. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my blow dryer. My blow dryer to just blow dry my hair until I can dry it quickly and properly. So at this point guys, I'm just doing a middle part, sectioning my hair to do the leave out because I said I wanted to do a leave out, and I also will be taking on some of my edges so my edges can be laid, like slick laid when I'm done. So that's what I'm doing right now, just sectioning my hair to do a leave out. So at this point guys, I am just braiding my hair back, doing my leave. I already did my leave out and took my edges out. I'm braiding my hair back in, so it's in some big braids, nothing fancy, nothing too neat, but just some braids to just get a hair flat underneath that cap, because after this I'll be putting a cap over it and then laying my tracks on the cap. So I'm just doing some big jumbo braids to go under the cap. So now that my braids is completed, all I'm doing is just putting them all together, and then I'll be putting the cap over it, and then it will be time to lay those tracks on the cap. So all I did was just put them together, tuck it underneath, put the cap on. Okay guys, so I'll be showing you the hair that I use. I purchased this hair called Organique, and it comes in 18, 20, 22 inches here, and it also comes with a closure as well, but I won't be using the closure. I'll only be using the bundles only because I already I'm doing a quick weave and I'm doing a leave out with my hair. So Organique is the hair. It sells at the regular beauty supply store nearby you. I'm about to take one of those bundles out, and that's the wig cap that I'm using, just a regular black wig cap, and I use some 30-second glue. So I'm about to just put my wig cap on right now and start laying my tracks. Just take one of my white eyeliners and mark the cap where my leave out is, so when I get up close to that section, I kind of guide myself to where I'm laying those tracks. Also lay it at the side as well where I started those braids, so it kind of give me like a guide. So all I'm just using that. I'll also be using my pump it up spray, and as I said, my 30-second Salon Pro glue. You can get those at this regular beauty supply store near you. So that's my 22 inches bundle that I'll be opening now, and I'll be laying the 22 inches first, then I lay the 20 and then the 18. I like it to be a little bit layered, but the hair is very soft. I really liked it, and we're gonna try to keep this in for 2 weeks. It's really soft. It sheds a little bit but not much. It's tangle free as it says, and it's organique. So all I'm doing, guys, is just laying those tracks, and as I lay, I spray it with little my pumpy tub spritz. So I'll be doing that all the way up. So I just finished doing one bundle. One bundle is through. One bundle. So this is it so far. I still have 2 more bundles to go. I don't think I'm gonna use the whole 2. I probably use like 1 and a little bit, but to close it up here. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, as I said before, I'll be closing up the top part. I don't think I'll be using the whole 2 bundles to do it. I might just do 1.5 or 1 and a little bit. And to be honest, the 1 did work, but I had to take like few strips outside the 3rd bundle. But all I'm doing now is just closing up the top part, and then so I can leave my hair out. What I'm gonna do now is my hair. Now I'm at the point where I am taking the rat tail comb, I'm parting, making a straight part, so I can use my flat iron to flat iron my own hair, and I'm trying to get my hair straight as the hair that's already glued on. So that's all I'm doing right now, straighten the part, try to blend my hair in, and flat iron what needs to be flat iron so everything can fall into place. Yep. Then I will be fixing my edges afterwards. Follow me. So I'm just gonna use some of this jam right here. This is a regular shine jam, and it says for edges. I'm just gonna use some of this and try to fix the edges. Yes, baby. When I tell you them edges are laid, they are laid to the ground. They are laid. I am absolutely loving this hair. As I said, it's a master mix here. It's not human. It's a half human hair, so it's mixed. The edges, the hair is soft, minimal shedding, and it's tangle free, and I am so loving this hairstyle. I'm gonna try to keep it on for like 2 weeks. Yeah, I'm loving it. Tell me what you guys think. All I'm doing now is just put some oil sheen to make it look shiny and smelling fabulous. So yeah, and I went back in with my flat iron because my hair in the top needs to be blended properly. So your girl gotta fix what a girl gotta fix, and that's what I'm doing right there. But I absolutely love this hair, and this is the final look. This is it. Amazing result. I didn't expect it to come out this nice. Well, I know I have a little touch, I can do my little thing, but this is lovely laid, nice. Tell me what you guys think. I'll be down in the comment section, and yeah, tell me if I did a good job, girl. Absolute edges. Wow, my lord, nobody can tell me stand my ear this. Yeah, man. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you in my next video, guys. Thank you.